Hey guys, welcome in. Hungry. We are at a Mexican restaurant. It's called Dos Panza. You know what? We're not going to do this. But overall, Mexican food. We're gonna get some tacos. For tacos, I do like the soft flour tortilla, as you call it. Ben, big up yourself, Ben. Welcome in. Hi, early bird. All right, Ben. Um, yeah, never get that, and hopefully, me come here already. It's normally good, and I just have a chit chat with you guys and have some lunch. Yeah, why not? Food lunch already. Thank you. I should not get already. Yum yum yum. Greetings, pretty. Wagwan. Big up yourself, Pally girl. Happy Sunday. As we reach, we are defend the food, though. As we reach, we are defend the food. Thank you for the thumbs up. Appreciate it. It's blurry. Exit and come back and see. Then every signal weak. Travis Wagwan, big up yourself, welcome in. Little better. Thank you so much. We're at a Mexican restaurant. We're gonna get some tacos. So say early. Hi, pretty. I'm new here. I'm also a new content creator. Ooh, that's good, pretty. What kind of content normally put out? DNG, hello. You have a good time. Thank you, DNG. Pick up from Germany. I think at first may have somebody from Germany here. Big up yourself. Where's everyone from? You know they are with funny food. Repeat. I said, what kind of content do you normally put out? Thanks for the thumbs up. But Sosa man, thank you Sosa, I appreciate it. No, what are we gonna love the Jamaican content? Uno just active so, and I love that. I love that. But guys, I'm telling you the truth. Jamaica, night and day. Night and day. Like, if you're born and raised there, you might can see the changes in almost everything. Travel and everyday happenings of the world in the city. Oh, that's good, pretty. That's good. That's general. People love seeing that. And people always love to see like new places too. Let me show you. Let me show you the setup. Hold on. Look. Look. Guys, look how cool this restaurant is. Like, for real. Isn't this so cool? Thank you, welcome in. That is so true, Sosa. You see all the cheers and everything? Fire, don't it? I love it. I know. I know. It is so cool. Yeah, I had to show you guys that. Look, you see even like the tables and stuff and the chairs. Very nice, beautiful. That's art. That is art. You have videos on short. Oh, that is nice. Guys, me I tell you the truth. You see, every time a waitress pass with a tray, me think of my food, you know. I have to go down. Me think of my food for sure. But yeah, the spirit of Jamaicans can never hide, and I think maybe that's why people who live overseas, them always want like visit back because you know that vibe is different. Big up yourself, Christian. Yes, I was. Thank you, pretty. Yo, we meet some great people. I see all Winford Williams. Look at my chat showing you love pretty. Look at that. Pally girl just subscribe to your channel. That's nice. Nice green seed, right? Thank you, Pally girl. Thank you, thank you. I was there last year at Bahia Principal Luxury. Ooh. I've never stayed at Bahia, but I passed through there before. Oh, food! I think this is us. I don't want to be too excited. It is.
There you go. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Of course. Thank you. Of course. Anything else that I can get for you? Can I get a little bit of salad, please? Of course. I'm gonna grab a bit.
Hi, hard shell, soft shell. Bahia nice. I love Bahia. Welcome back, Ben.
I'm sorry for waiting.
Fine. Thank you.
For the campanito, I don't have everything for you. Yeah, yeah.
Guys, let me show you this. Jesus Christ. Screenshot.
If you like spicy,
Mango margarita.
the watermelon is really good. I like the mixed berry.
You were so saya api come down. No.
Okay. Well, that one is a margarita only.
Oh
It's
my
a big one.
Right, but it's
I am so
got the
excited.
beer.
Guys, you like tacos or no?
I think.
Oh, you want sour cream too? For you?
Yes.
Cheers. That nice. Sweet, the mango very strong. Not really a fan of tacos. I prefer the flour tortillas, if that's what them call it, than the hard shell.
Sorry?
Soft shell,
This
yes.
come in a flavor.
No.
I'll just have water.
Okay. I'll be fine.
Oxtail tacos with soft shell. Soak up the gravy nice. So that sound good. Hi Bruce, welcome in.
Thank you. Of course.
I'm lost with words. Antoinette, hi. Not so sa moderator duties. No, no Antoinette. But yeah, me see you. Why? They know what them I do. They know what them I do at the place, so I'm not lie. Alright, so the ride, let me start from the beginning. Recap of the trip. You're on our way there now. Recap of the trip. There was this tour guide. I still need to leave a review. You need to leave him review on him website. So good, so knowledgeable. The hospitality was great. He had a lot to share, and I was asking him about some of the food place that he recommend that was in the area, and he recommend this the Kudo spot. The Kudo spot. Thank you, Dario. Because my Sunday going, it's going tip. Me I eat, so it's going good. Anybody know the pudding spots in St. Anne where they sell sweet potato pudding and stuff like that? Thank you. This, them a bit rough. Me not tell no lie. But, alright, skip. So we're there at the hotel now, right? Guys, me telling you the truth. You see, sometimes, maybe you say, it's great. Thank you. Yes, see, sometimes maybe you go some places and say, no, no, the certain things are not really fancy. Don't be that person. Go out there and do everything and try everything. Yeah? Enjoy yourself. The apple size, me did love apple size that morning, so that was a treat to me. But you see them have some water slide. I say, guys, I never afraid so yet to do a water slide there. Like standing and looking at it, it look easy, but just when you go up and tap the slide down, I swear my heart come on the moment. Did you bring back any Jamaican KFC? Guys, knowing me, you know, say if me did to bring back any Jamaican KFC, more than me and me before me left Jamaica. You don't know that. You don't know that. They would make it on the plane. They would make it the name of everything before it come here. Before it come. That's crazy. Me have to do better. One thing though, every prices them in Jamaica, everything sky high. Nobody could tell me say a $200 for mm? Any price chips. Not true. Anthony, a liar. A liar. Don't do that. Don't do that. Thank you for liking the live, guys. Mm. It can't be true. But when me did it, when me did it, then I carry the figure me now. You know me here, from a mile, the peanut cat I will so. You know, come out of the car. I figure down, you know. Why, Murphy? We have to go down picture. What time is it? 2:11. Roasted peanut hit different. Yeah, hit different. But made it love like the variety of food they have. We can't eat LPVC, but like we are tried, teeth, we are tried. Made it love the buffet. The variety is great. Oh, never drop a vlog tonight when to my birthday celebration and dinner. They had seafood tonight. Them lobster, crawfish. Yeah. Big old lobster and them something that guys they have to show now. They drop that tonight. And clams, oysters. And then I said, no man, I'm not going with things. All in my mind is like, when I already come out Jamaica to eat them something I know. I complete oxtail and rotan. But if it's here, hello, me I gonna eat it. Hey lady lions. because the energy. I'm active. You'll be in Mexico in 2 weeks. Okay. Okay. You have to dip. You have to dip out. Have to dip. Mm-hmm. Energy man. Believe. Then I drive and pick up everybody. I also did the live tour of the property, the buffet, the breakfast. I'm gonna post the dinner, the buffet dinner options tonight. Some of the entertainment that they have, and what else? The beach activities that they did. Some of that post already, and also the KFC that already post. Made it have a post that first. The first video we drop on the page of that. The Jamaican barbecue KFC. Because them say KFC fall off, so me did have to make sure. Just in case. Mm-hmm. Just saying. But see people them only for yard. When you think Jamaican KFC fall off the true, like it is change, be honest. I'm not a black one or nothing. So it's so funny in the comments, yo. You know, when I mean to send up my blood pressure in Jamaica, the taxi driver them, the bus driver, the taxi driver, blood pressure through the roof. Like, how do they do it? Hmm? Okay, Lady Lions, pick up yourself. Thank you for passing through. I'm getting used to the KFC taste now because I need something different for my taste. Yeah, it's nice, man. Very delicious. People them drive like they don't have a care in the world. Like everybody road, and them entitled to the road, yeah.